Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn HashSet in Dart programming language. So for that, I am creating the video number 32 and I say HashSet.dart. Again, I say void main and inside this, I am creating HashSet. I say data equal to HashSet. So what is the specialization in it? It is a set, but by using hashing. So this is empty one, we can add value. So I say add one value like this, or we can add multiple value. So add all like this, and we can insert the value like this. So it is a set. Remember that it would not have a multiple value of same type. Value should be unique. Suppose I say 6 here, so it would not take this. Print data dot run. You see HashSet. So we are having 6 multiple time, but it's not inserting because it's a set, but it is using hashing for implementing a set. So for more function, we can put here cast clear to delete all the information, contain to check the element, and contain all number of element are available. Differences, if you want to set differences, then element at a particular index. All functions available, those I have explained in my previous videos also. Same type of things are there. You see, nothing special. All data structure types of function is there. You can implement whatever you want. It depends on you. So like this you can create, and you can create like this also, where data equal to HashSet this way, and I can make it comment. So this is also same thing here, and you can print the value one by one also. For that you can say for where value in data like this, I say print, I say v. So one by one I can print the information. You see, one by one I can print all the information like this. So it depends on you how you want to use, but remember that it's a set. Simple set means value should be unique, but it implementing hashing internally. So it's a data structure that depend on hashing. If you like this video, you understand something from this video, please do subscribe, like this video, share this video, and thank you for watching this video.